I wish I would have known how opinionated people were going to be about my breastfeeding journey, about when, where, and how I breastfed my child. It was almost as if people thought they had a say in me breastfeeding. I had heard so many horror stories about how difficult breastfeeding could be. I began to worry about whether or not I'd be able to do it. But once me and my babies got on one accord, breastfeeding has probably been the easiest part of my motherhood journey. If you are a new mom that's starting your breastfeeding journey, my advice to you is to surround yourself with people with positive energy that are knowledgeable about breastfeeding. No bad vibes at all. Another really good advice for breastfeeding is that you need to get comfortable. And I mean physically and mentally. Try to relax your body by being in supportive, comfortable seating with the use of pillows. Also, try to let go of the stress and anxiety that we as moms so easily attach to breastfeeding. Listen, your breastfeeding journey might start off really difficult, and that's okay. You might leak through all of your shirts, and that's okay. Your family members might think that breastfeeding is antiquated, and guess what? That's okay too. Just remember, this breastfeeding journey and this time is about you and your baby.